Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Shopify stock and how it's partnering with Walmart to bring more small business owners to the platform. So taking a look at Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP, currently priced at $812 per share, up 8.47% today after it announced that news, and up 0.81% after hours. Past year, you could see it definitely benefited from the move to the online e-commerce space, up 166% past year, and past 5 years up 2,281%. So it's a very high growth, a lot of potential upside for the stock. So dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth, and you can see it's definitely benefiting from that growth. Now taking a look at Walmart, ticker symbol WMT, it's up also by 0.29%. After hours up 0.19%. Past year, it's steadily up 8.41%. Past 5 years, up 63.9%. As you can see, it's partnering with Shopify to expand its online marketplace. And you can see that they announced a new partnership with e-commerce shopping platform Shopify, now used by over 1 million businesses. And the deal will open Walmart's marketplace to Shopify's small business sellers with the goal of bringing 1,200 Shopify sellers to the marketplace this year. And the partnership will greatly expand the reach of the participating brands by placing them in front of Walmart's marketplace 120 million monthly visitor. So this will definitely increase visibility of Shopify and increase traffic to Shopify's platform. And this will also help Walmart's online presence with their marketplace platform. And this partnership is a direct shot at Amazon, which today promises third-party sellers the ability to reach more than 300 million customers worldwide, and even offers help with shipping, returns, and customer service by way of fulfillment by Amazon. So the two largest retailers in the space, Amazon, Walmart. Walmart is definitely becoming more competitive with this partnership, and definitely beefing up their online solutions as more and more customers are demanding the online services. Walmart is definitely fulfilling that need. And you can see Walmart, meanwhile, has been steadily working to make its own marketplace a more competitive offering. In fall 2018, for example, the retailer announced Walmart Marketplace items would be available would be able to participate in its free 2-day shipping program and would be eligible for in-store returns. So that'll get its products faster to its customers, and there's no risk in buying from Walmart because they have a great return policy. So taking a look at the actual article from Walmart. So this was a press release from the VP of Walmart Marketplace. So you can see, for years, building an e-commerce marketplace, customers' trust has been a priority for their business. That's why they're joining forces with Shopify, an all-in-one commerce platform used by more than 1 million businesses, to open the Walmart marketplace to their sellers. And U.S. e-commerce business grew 74% in total last quarter, and growth in marketplace outpaced the overall business even as first-party sales were strong. And as they launched the integration with Shopify, they focus on U.S.-based small and medium businesses whose assortment complements theirs and have a track record of exceeding customers' expectations. So this was beneficial to customers because not only do you get to shop directly through Walmart, but it also diversifies the products that they can provide to their customers and buy directly from these small business owners. Now taking a look at the actual Walmart marketplace. So this is how the platform looks. You could join a special webinar from Walmart and Metrics to learn about the latest tactics to grow your business. So it's definitely providing tools for small business owners and equipping them with the right tools to start their business on this platform. And you can see it seems like a direct competitor to Amazon. It says sell on Walmart.com, sync items and manage orders from Shopify. So you can manage your inventory and store directly through this marketplace. And with the integration of Shopify, you get a lot of their tools to make that happen. So Commerce Hub fuels bare necessities, triple-digit growth with expedited shipping options. So definitely a lot of great tools for small business owners between Walmart Marketplace and Shopify. And you also get the FedEx Advantage for Marketplace, and it's fast shipping. Get your products delivered quickly and on time. And you can see partnered with Number One and Sell with Confidence. So the world's largest omnichannel retailer has big ideas and a bright future. We're looking for partners like you. Walmart Marketplace is a curated community of respected professional sellers who offer only top quality, authentic products and best in class customer service. So the fact that it's backed by Walmart, it's definitely it's quality and great customer service, and that really benefits the customers. Imagine the possibilities and boost your growth. So a lot of customers can access this platform, and it'll help a lot of the small business owners. So overall, I think it's a very, very great platform, and it'll definitely benefit Walmart as well as Shopify. And that's why you can see the spike in Shopify stock price up 8% in one day. And take a look at the P/E ratio. I think it's a bit high, or it doesn't even exist, because I think they are profitable, but it's like very expensive. $812 per share. I do see in the long run Shopify continuing to grow their channels and make a stronger presence in the online e-commerce space, building up their tools, providing more digital tools for the customers. So I see this parabolic growth sustainable in the long run. And it's on my watch list. I might start a position once it has a dip and it gets to a lower price. But for now, I'm just gonna follow it on my watch list and continue to follow the news that come along with Shopify. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Shopify? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.